Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Divisha. In this video, I'm going to discuss question number 64 from CUET Entrance Exam 2024. Okay, so this is a question from statistics. We are given that x is a variable which takes a value either -10 with the probability attached to it 1 by 4, or it takes a value of 20 with the probability attached to it as 3 by 4, and we have to calculate exponential. We have to calculate expectation of x square. Okay, expectation of x square is what we have to calculate. So options are given to us as a is these are the options basically which are given to us. Now let's calculate how we calculate the expectation of x square. So whatever expectation of any variable here is calculated as, expectation is simply it's the probability of that variable times the variable itself. Okay, so probability means with 1 by 4 probability the value is -10. So probability 1 by 4 times value is -10, x whole square becomes -10 whole square, plus with the probability 3 by 4 it takes a value of 20. X takes a value of 20, right? This is what is given to us. X takes a value of -10 and 20, and with 3 by 4 probability x takes a value of 20. So it becomes 20 power whole square, right? So therefore if you calculate, expectation will become 100 by 4 plus this is 3 times 400 by 4, right? So if you calculate, it becomes 100 plus 1200 by 4, so it is simply 1300 by 4. If you calculate this number, it will come out to be 325. Okay, so just simple calculation here, and this is how expectation of any variable is calculated. Okay, so it's straightforward that the solution to our question is part C, right? So option C is the answer to it. So I hope it's clear. Any such related questions, you can post it in the comment box below. I shall get back to you on that. So if you like it, do subscribe to my channel guys, and like the video. Thank you.